Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I'm gonna wash my car. I cannot take my car to regular car wash because of my roof rack, so I have to take it to high pressure washer. It's only $5. First thing first, I put it on soap, high pressure water. And I know this is not the right way to wash it, but recording it with one hand and holding the high pressure washer was pretty tough. Wash it from top to bottom so dirt can flow down and just drip with the water. Always clean the wheel well because a lot of the dirt is trapped underneath. Because of the roof rack is up there, there's so much dirt and grime on the rooftop and the roof of my car. And the winch is waterproof and all the lighting is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything. I don't shoot the water to the awning too much because I try to make it waterproof, but it's not fully waterproof, so I don't want water to get into the awning and rot. So a very light coat of soap. By the way, that tire rack is still functioning great and looks great. So now everything's soaped up. So let's change to the soapy tire washer. This was hard to do with one hand again. Look, couldn't do it. But at least this place has this brush with a specific soap for the wheel, so it's very nice. So there was a lady right behind me watching me, looking at me like I'm crazy. So I switched over to the foam brush and I'm doing it one hand. And this lady is still watching me, me washing the car and recording with one hand. And I felt like I'm a crazy YouTuber. I told my wife to film me, but she didn't want to do it. And I had to make some content. See, there's a lady watching me and laughing at me. I'm sure she recorded me too. So next is high pressure rinse. And that's my chamois, so I wet it, but I leave it there for later. Always work from the top, let the water drip down along with the dirt. So I hear the countdown and I didn't want to pay another $5, so I ended it. And time to dry. So this chamois holds a lot of moisture, but you need two hands to squeeze it. So I had to let the foam down, and after you wipe some moisture, you gotta squeeze the water out. Anyway, so this took me about 20 minutes, 15 minutes to completely dry my car. So that's the last of it, and I'm done. I did not have the tire shine kit. I'm going to AutoZone to buy some tire shine. I know some of you viewers don't like my tire shined. My Roto packs and Max Tracks are still in good shape, and color's not fading. That's good. And from awning, water drips a little bit, so you just have to wipe it down. I went to AutoZone and bought the tire shining kit. This tire shining spray is so bright and shiny. But I think I spent about half the can on 5 rims. Later on I sprayed it on the spare also. Man, it's super clean. This cement color is awesome because even if it's dirty, it doesn't really show. But when it's clean, it shows a little bit of a blue hue to the gray. When it's dirty, it's more warm gray tone. So look at that shine. That's so shiny that it looks like a fish scale. Anyways, thank you for viewing my channel, and see you on the next one.